Yes, there is quite a bit of help available for women who are struggling after an abortion. In Oregon, there's several organizations that offer classes or, even a weekend class at Rachel's Vineyard for men and women who are suffering after an abortion. I offer a class here in Salem called Save One. It's an international organization, and I started a chapter here 6 years ago and offer 3 11-week classes per year. And it's an incredible journey of healing for men and women who have experienced abortion and are struggling from their decision. And we see women come into that class just heavy, laden with the burden of their abortion. And after even after that first night, they leave there with that weight lifted. And then there's 10 more weeks through that class. And they learn through that class about God's grace. They learn about how God has forgiven them and how they can forgive themselves, and that they can be transformed after years of suffering from the effects, the horrible effects of their abortion, which might be depression and nightmares and anger issues, grief and shame. We take them through an incredible journey of learning how to deal with that and to move on and leave that behind. And they actually leave our class after 11 weeks completely transformed in a new person. So there are classes like that available here in Salem, and there's other classes available throughout Oregon that people can participate in to find healing.